Welcome to our tutorial on how to report an issue in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to help you report any problems or concerns you may have with Gmail. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC by launching it from your browser or desktop shortcut. Step 2. Next to the settings icon, you'll find the support option. Click on it to access the Gmail support page. Step 3. On the support page, scroll down and look for the Send Feedback to Google section. Click on it to open the feedback form. Step 4. Within the feedback form, locate and click on the Report an issue. Up to you to report the specific problem you are facing. By following these quick steps, you can easily report any issues or concerns you encounter while using Gmail on your PC. Your feedback is valuable in helping Google improve their service. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Help make Gmail even better by reporting any issues you come across.